Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on? Welcome to the True Trading Group YouTube channel, folks. My name is Michael Edward Parinati. I go by Michael Edward, and I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. Listen to me carefully. We are True Trading Group, that is. A 2023 Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool. We were also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online education platform that combines university and professional level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, individual coaching and mentorship for stocks, options, crypto. We also have a futures program for my futures traders out there as well. But we take that university level curriculum and we pair it with today's top financial tools. Tools that give you more information, help you make better decisions, but tools that would also cost you around $5 or $6 grand a year if you went directly to the companies that offer them. Instead, we've brought them all underneath one roof, our website, True Trading Group. It's one of the reasons why we were one of the finalists for Best Data Analysis Tool at the Benzinga FinTech Awards. These tools include things like Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data, insider trading from management, a simulator that lets you practice trading with fake money but real-time data, full book level 2, TradingView's premium charting software, the trade idea scanners on our platform. You get unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, analyst ratings, a social sentiment scanner, a trading journal, all of our AI trading tools and our AI trading assistants. Everything is all included, guys, with your trading group. Of course, you get all of our courses and our alerts, but you also get all these things. All these things we give you guys for one price, one affordable price for the entire year, set you up with everything that you need to have the very best chance of becoming successful. You also get access to our members. We have over 10,000 members in True Trading Group from 115 different countries. We truly are a global community. They're the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you're ever going to find. Not to mention all the real-time trade alerts from the moderators and myself. There's 9 of us. It's not just myself. There's 9 professional traders with you during the day. We all send out our real-time trade alerts, and we have been able to maintain cumulatively as a group, or collectively, I should say, as a group, a cumulative win rate on all of our executions of just around 80%, now going on roughly the last 4 years. So if you guys have not done so already, you might want to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Make sure you guys smash the like button, show some love. If you want to maybe think about why the hell you should be listening to anything it is that I have to say on this video, because the markets have been in complete rally mode, right? Everybody wants to know, is the market just going to keep moving higher up? Are we just going to start going to all-time highs? Or is this a rug pull? And are we just about to get a deeper pullback? The recession that everybody kept talking about, where is it, right? How much further can this market rally go? Well, before I get into all that, let me explain to you guys who the hell I am and why I should listen to what I have to say, because I didn't figure this out on YouTube. Okay, I began my trading career working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City, my first job out of college. They made me go through an educational training program before they let me touch $1 of the fund's money. Then 2008 happened, and that's the Great Recession. That was the stock market crash. Well, also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of TTG. And along with my team of 9 other professional trading mods and 30-person staff, we've helped our members from all over the world reach their goals. So if you guys are ready to learn trading profit for real, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live or do a daily recap video here on this YouTube channel to give you guys golden nuggets, trade ideas, analysis, and commentary that can help you guys all make money. All right. So if you have not yet done so, like I said, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you smash the like button and show some love. Let's talk about what's going on in the markets, guys. Today was a anemic day in the markets. I don't know what day was more boring. If today was more boring or Friday's half day was more boring. It was Friday's half day. Today had a little bit, tiny bit more range, about a 50-cent more extra range in the SPY today. But you guys can see as we're kind of zooming in, you can see these candles here on the daily chart. I mean, there is just nothing cooking right here. Right there. There is just nothing cooking there over the last couple of trading days. This is actually the tightest trading range that the market has been in all year long. And the reason for it is that you've just had phenomenal data over the last couple of weeks in November that has brought the markets all the way up into the mid 450s, right smack up into a major resistance level. But there just hasn't been a reason to sell. Buyers are exhausted. Buyers are kind of taking a break. We've gone very far, very fast, but there just has not been a reason to sell. And I've been talking about on this YouTube channel for the last 4 or 5 days. I've been telling you guys, I'm looking for a pullback. I'm looking for a pullback. I'm looking for a pullback. It has not happened yet. We haven't gone up. We haven't gone down. We've just gone sideways. And what I'm still looking for my thoughts have not changed. If you guys caught my live stream, I went live yesterday and I was going over my top trade ideas, and we're gonna take a look at how some of those ideas have panned out so far that I gave you guys last night. But I'm still looking for a pullback off of this level, right? I'm still looking for a tradable pullback off this level. That's really what I'm going to be focusing on and what I'm looking for. It just has not happened yet. We got a lot of Fed members that are speaking this week. You've got a couple of different earnings announcements. You had Zscaler that came out with earnings after the bell today. We'll recap that. Actually, really good earnings, but one thing in particular that investors did not like about their earnings, and that's the reason why the stock's down about 7.5%, 8% last time that I checked or that I looked at it. But I'll explain to you guys why that stock is down, because their earnings actually were very good. It was a beat across the board, bottom line, top line, beat, raised guidance, the whole nine, and the stock still went down. So I'll explain to you guys why the stock actually went down. Then you're going to have PCE inflation data also this week. That could be a catalyst. You've got more jobless claims numbers, as we always do on Thursdays. So there's a lot going on. The Beige Book also coming out here on Wednesday. So there's a lot going on this week that can actually start to move this market and break this market out of this range that we have found ourselves in. Let's go ahead and let's talk about Zscaler first. So as you guys can see, Zscaler getting hit a bit in the after hours. Stock down 7.5%. I'll give you guys, here's the earnings. Earnings were actually good. 67 cents a share on the EPS. That is a beat against 49-cent expectations. Sales also a beat. 496.7 million versus 474.7 million. They see the next quarter 57 to 58 cents a share. That's against 51-cent estimate. And in revenue of 505 to 507 million, that's against a 496.67 expectation. They see fiscal year earnings per share 245 to 248. That's against a $2.24 estimate. And they see revenue 2.09 billion to 2.1 billion. That is against analyst expectations of 2.06 billion. So all across the board, earnings per share, sales for this quarter, earnings per share, sales for the next quarter, earnings per share and shares for the whole year, all above expectations. Stock still went down. You must be thinking, what more could you possibly ask for from a company's earnings report? And this specifically came down to just one word: expenses. The problem with Zscaler's earnings, as good as these earnings were, the one thing that stands out right away, if you were listening to what I was saying, they just reported 67 cents earnings per share, but they're expecting next quarter that to actually go down 57 to 58 cents earnings per share. Now, this comes right into their operating expenses. So their operating expenses for the first quarter actually jumped 24% to $431 million. So they're essentially, their operating expenses, okay, for the quarter, almost, okay, when you look at if your operating expenses were 431.4 million, well, your operating expenses, but your sales were 496.7 million, that then becomes that margin compression issue, and it's an operating expense issue. So even though the sales are there and the sales growth and the revenue growth is there, you're still also seeing those costs increase at an alarming rate. Investors just did not like that. That's why the stock is down 7.5% on the back of expenses. Look for this company to cut costs in the coming months. I would not be the least bit surprised if we see the company come out in the next couple of months and do something to try to help bring those costs down, because a 24% increase in operating expenses is a lot. All right, so you're definitely going to want to see that number come down. That's why the stock is trading to the downside. All right. Let's talk about some of the trade ideas that I gave you guys yesterday. One of them was, there was a piece of news. One of them ended up being dead wrong. But there was a piece of news, which is the reason why the trade idea ended up being wrong. And we'll get to that in a minute. That was actually Roku. But the ones that were actually monsters today, Affirm. If you guys were watching my live stream yesterday, I gave you guys Affirm. I said, if Affirm is above 27, get long up to 29, possibly 31.5. Okay, that was the number one top trade idea coming into the week. I gave it to you last night right here on this YouTube channel. I was live. I went live at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, as I do every Sunday when I give you guys my top trade ideas. I went over with you guys Walmart, Affirm, Costco, looking all for upside on those three names on the back of, strong consumer sales, consumer spending numbers, Black Friday coming into Cyber Monday, buy now, pay later. And I went over with you guys on the live stream yesterday and I drew for you. You guys can go back and watch the live stream. It's right on this YouTube channel. I drew for you yesterday this beautiful bull flag pattern on the daily chart. You got a real nice resistance level right there, a double top at 27. And as I pan back on the chart, you guys can see all the way back here in September, you also see resistance there at 27. So it's a real nice level. And I said to you guys in the live stream yesterday, if you break above 27, this stock's got room. Look for a breakout on a firm. It also has a nice short position, and all signs were go today as this thing opened up. And I told you above 27, get long. Well, what's the low of the day today? You guessed it, 27.05. 27.05, low of the day today. Stock all the way up to $30.50. Looking for maybe some more upside. My target on this was around. I said $29 was a target, and then around 31.25 would be kind of like the final target area that I'd be looking for. It's actually this gap fill, which puts you up to like 31.25. So let's see if you can actually get to 31.25 tomorrow. A lot of members were able to capitalize on this. Congratulations, those of you that were watching the YouTube live. Maybe you guys aren't even members of True Trading Group. You could have taken that analysis. You could have caught a beautiful 16.5% move on a firm today. Absolute beautiful move. And then we also talked about Walmart, right? We talked about Walmart, which we're already long inside True Trading Group, right? One of our moderators already initiated a long position on Wednesday in anticipation of the Black Friday and the Cyber Monday and consumer spending. But not to mention, aside from that, you also were at a major support level there for Walmart. You can see this huge level there for Walmart in the mid 150s. And then this yellow line, that's the 200-day moving average. So we actually stepped in there. One of our mods took that position long right there on call options on Walmart. And you can see a nice, beautiful little two-day bounce back move there for Walmart. Not a monster. I mean, Walmart doesn't really move all that much, but the options move pretty well. So I think you're already looking at about a 40 to 50% gain on the options there for Walmart. And then we also talked about Costco. Remember, we talked about Costco going back to 600. Stock was at 591. And on the live stream, we talked about Costco, maybe going back up there and knocking on the all-time high. The high of the day today, 599.94. Okay, right at that $600 level. And then if you break 600, the only thing stopping you then, your next resistance level after 600 is 610. All right, so you shot up to 600 today, tapped on this resistance, and then you got that little bit of a pullback. So these three names today, right from the watch list that I gave you guys yesterday, top trade ideas, ended up working out really, really, really well. And a lot of members were able to capitalize and make some really good money on that. So congratulations, those of you, especially the firm. That was number one trade idea, and that thing is an absolute monster. The one that did not work was Roku. Now, Roku, I talked to you guys yesterday. One of my trade ideas was actually short Roku against this like $97, $98 in front of 100. And where do I get that from is resistance level right here. All right. Resistance level here, resistance level here. And as I zoom this back out, and you can see resistance level here, right? So huge resistance here on Roku. And I was like, all right, let's look for a short there. But then news came out today. So you can see the stock busted through that resistance level, up 9% on the day. And that was actually a very positive note that was issued by a research firm talking specifically about Roku and what consumer spending over the weekend and how they're buying specific electronics and trends and patterns that this research firm is seeing and how that would then relate to Roku. They raised their price target on Roku and gave a very bullish note with a lot of fundamental catalysts to back that up. And that is what gave this stock a bit of a boost today. So obviously, no way I could have foreseen that research report being dropped today by that research firm and the upgrade for the stock. That's why that trade idea did not work. But the others worked out really, really, really well. Affirm, Walmart, Costco, Affirm specifically was just absolutely beautiful. All right. So can't win them all. Can't win them all. Affirm was a monster. But like I said, we're wrong on Roku, but at least we know why that trade ended up not working out because of that news catalyst. All right. So there you guys have it. So that's kind of a little recap update there on what we've seen so far from top trade ideas that I gave you guys the other day. I am, still going to look at this Affirm. I'm probably going to trade this Affirm, it's going to stay on the watch list here. It's a great stock to trade when it's moving like this. It's got a nice short position. This is like the biggest one-day candle that we've seen in a long time for this stock. And with that short position, we want to stay on this thing. It's got definitely the wind at its back right now. So we're going to keep focused on this going forward. All right. And then, of course, I'm looking for short positions on some other areas. I'm looking for short positions in some other areas because I think the market's going to pull back off this level. But Affirm, I think, is a dangerous one to short at this point in time. All right. So listen, if you guys are just sitting here and you're watching recap videos, right, and you're talking about, me going over and telling you what happened today, where did we make money, where did we lose money, where were we right, where were we wrong, what do we think about the days going forward? Instead of just watching recap videos, you guys want to make sure you take advantage of our Cyber Monday deal, which is only lasting for the next couple of hours. Our Cyber Monday deal actually brings the price of True Trading Group down by 53%. And I got some really great news. We were able to grab our hands on 10 more laptops. Okay, we were able to get our hands on 10 laptops. So what that means is the next 10 people that actually join True Trading Group and use the coupon code for the Cyber Monday sale, you're going to not only get a 53% discount on our membership to join the platform, get access to all the tools, all the resources, all the courses, all the trade alerts, all the chats and everything else, but you're also going to get a brand new free Windows laptop. Comes with Microsoft 365. You can use it to trade with, use it for work, give it to your kid for school, sell it on eBay, put the money back in your account, give it away to somebody as a gift. I don't care whatever you do with it. It's our gift to you when you guys join True Trading Group, but we only have 10 of them. So here's the way it works. Pull up ttgoffer.com right now. That's ttgoffer.com. Every single thing you see on that page is included when you join our membership. Now, the price to join True Trading Group is normally $2,212 for the year. However, when you use the coupon code TTG121, you must manually type that coupon code in, TTG121, then click apply code. The price will drop all the way down to just $1,024. That's it. 53% off for the entire year. You get every single thing you see on that page. There is no upsell, additional cost, or hidden fee for anything you see on that page. That includes our 23-course curriculum, simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund. You get beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it, we've got it. You guys have access to all of it. There is no VIP pro courses that cost more money after you join. We're not selling you half of a solution. You get access to all of it for the $1,024. You also get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, congressional trading data to track trades by Congress, insider trading to track trades by management. If you were to go to Benzinga on your own, just that alone would cost you over $1,000 a year. It's all included when you join True Trading Group for just $1,024 using coupon code TTG121. You get TradingView's premium charting software, full book level 2, a simulator that lets you practice trading with fake money but real-time data. The Trade Idea scanner streams on our platform so you can focus on the hottest stocks during the day. You get unusual options activity, options flow, short data, dark pool data, analyst ratings, a trading journal that tracks your trading and breaks it down to the numbers and statistics. You can see what you're doing wrong. All of our AI trading assistants, a social sentiment scanner to tell you what's being talked about most on social media, watch lists from the moderators and I every day telling you the stocks are focused on with detailed entry and exit prices. It's all right there for you. It's all there when you guys go to ttgoffer.com and use the code TTG121, click apply code, price drops all the way down to $10.24. And listen to me here. Anyone that's still on the fence, if you're questioning it, you're unsure, you're skeptical, allow me to remove the skepticism. I stand behind the platform that we have created, and I believe so strongly in its ability to help you reach your goals that we offer a double your money back guarantee when you join TTG. This is how it works. When you join, you'll pay $10.24 tonight. This price is good only until midnight tonight. Then our Cyber Monday sale is over. And the laptops are only for the next 10 people. So once this video goes live, that's it. 10 of them. You'll know you're getting a laptop as long as you see one in the checkout cart. If you do not see a laptop in the checkout cart when you go to ttgoffer.com, if you do not see one, that means we've sold out. If you do see one, that means there's still one left. So go ahead, check out, and the laptop is yours. Be on the lookout for the welcome email after you join because there will be instructions in your welcome email on how to claim your free laptop. Back to the double your money back guarantee though. When you join, you'll pay $10.24. As long as you do the following: go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend one study group, and actually use our platform. If you do those things, the study groups are free. We do them every Thursday. You don't have to do these things within 30 days or 14 days. You have the entire year of your membership to do all of those things at your own pace on your own time. If you do those things and you are unable to make enough winning trades to equal the $1,024 that you paid to True Trading Group, if you can't make that back at least one time during your membership, we will give you back $2,048. That's double what you are paying to join True Trading Group. Listen to me. The money back guarantee is right there on our checkout page. It's in black and white. Yes, it's real, but I highly suggest you go read it. I don't think you need the double your money back guarantee, but it's there to give you peace of mind. Our refund rate at True Trading Group is less than 2.5%. If it was 15%, I would not be able to offer you double your money back. 78% of our members renew their membership or have gone on to become lifetime members of the platform. And we're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,400 reviews. That's why I can offer you double your money back. Because the results speak for themselves. The numbers don't lie. Members' results don't lie. So all you have to do is go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price drops to $10.24. If you see a laptop in the checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. There's only 10. So hurry up and go grab one. Just pull up the page. If you see one, great. Check out. You're good. And you got the double your money back guarantee, which I don't think you need, but it's here for peace of mind, like I said. If you have any questions at all, any concerns, any uncertainties, any issues signing up, send us a text message. It's a text-only number. You'll talk to a real person, but send us a text to 1-888-306-8783. Again, that is 1-888-306-8783. Go ahead right now. Text that number if you guys have any questions. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys do have. Also, if you used to be a member of TTG, or maybe you used to be a trial member and you guys want this deal, you have to text that number because we're going to have to whitelist your email address in order to give you this specific Cyber Monday deal, since your email address already had an account with us. So we just got to whitelist that email address. So then that way you guys can get access to the platform and everything for just $10.24 with the free laptop, with the double your money back guarantee, and all the bells and whistles, everything, all the tools, all the courses, everything that you guys need to have the very best chance of becoming successful, and a real chance. That's what we offer at TTG. It's a real chance. It's a real chance of becoming successful. I can't guarantee that you're going to be successful just by joining TTG, but I can guarantee if you can't make that $10.24 back at least once after going through the courses, passing the quizzes, and attending the study group, then I'll give you back double your money. That I can guarantee. Go read that. Go read that double your money back guarantees right there on the website. All right. Thanks for tuning in today, folks. Let's see what, those trade ideas. Let's see how they unfold tomorrow. If there's any follow through to those moves, we will see. And then we'll also see if the market starts to give us that pullback, because we have a lot of Fed members that are going to be speaking tomorrow. I anticipate those Fed members trying to maybe keep the markets honest. So we'll see what they have to say tomorrow and what that does to overall markets. Thanks for tuning in today, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the live. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Make sure you never miss out on any of these live streams. Remember, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. Cyber Monday, you've got till midnight, 10 laptops available. Go grab yours. Use that coupon code. You have to manually type it in, TTG121. Otherwise, text us 1-888-306-8783. Have a wonderful rest of your night, folks. See you all tomorrow. Take care.